we discuss our new chapter, that is trigonometry. Okay? It is very important chapter. Around 10 or more than 10 marks come in our examination. So try to understand this chapter thoroughly. Also, I will try my best to understand it. Okay? Here, the word trigonometry. The word trigonometry means it can be divided into three subparts. One is tri, second is gon, and third is metron. Tri means three, gon means side, and metron means measurement. So, trigonometry is nothing but it is a branch of mathematics which provides or which gives a relationship between the sides and the angles of a triangle. Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics in which it provides the relation in between sides and the angles of the triangle. Here, in our 10th class, we try to build relation between the sides and the angles of right angle triangle. Clear? Here it is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle and B is here right angle. Opposite of right angle, you know that hypotenuse. And the line which is attached to the right angle, one is perpendicular and another one is base. Got it? Okay. Suppose here I can use a symbol theta. Here, theta is nothing but theta is a Greek letter, and you can read it. It's a Greek letter, and it is used for it is used as the symbol of angle. Theta here it is the symbol of angle. Tell me, here P is perpendicular and H is hypotenuse and B is your base. Using these three sides such as P, B and H, how many ratios can be designed? Mainly 6 ratios can be designed. What are they? One is your, one more thing, father of trigonometry. Father of trigonometry is Hipparchus. He was a Greek astronomer. Greek astronomer Hipparchus was called father of trigonometry. He is the father of trigonometry. Now, let us move forward. तेबे आमे P, B और H को व्यवहार करी आमे समुदाय केतेटा रेशियो फॉर्मेशन कर करिका. Mainly 6 ratios. One is your P by H, and reverse of P by H is equal to H by P. Then B by H, another ratio, and reverse of B by H is equal to H by B. Am I right? Then fifth ratio is P by B, and the reverse is B by B. That means in total 6 side ratios can be formed by using the symbol P, B, H. P is your perpendicular. Listen. B is your base and the hypotenuse is H is your hypotenuse. These 6 ratios are also called trigonometric ratios. These 6 ratios are the P by H, H by P, B by H, H by B, P by B and B by B are also called as trigonometric ratios. We can represent these ratios in forms of angles. In form of angles. As from the very beginning, we know that trigonometry is nothing but it is a relation between the angles and sides. Now we start forming the relationship between the sides and angles. Here P by H. Take a look. P by H can be symbolized as sin theta. Sin theta is the angle. So P by, if you remember, P by H is equal to sin theta. P means perpendicular, H means hypotenuse. Similarly, reverse of P by H, that is your cos theta. Cos theta here. Cos theta is equal to P by H. Then reverse sin theta is cosec theta. Cosec theta is equal to H by P. Then reverse of cosec theta is per sin theta. Reverse of cos theta is equal to sec theta. Cos theta is equal to P by H. When you reverse, you can take a numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator. The result will be H by B. It is your sec theta. And next, tan theta, perpendicular upper base. And the last one, cot theta is equal to B by B. These are the basic formulas of trigonometry. New formulas can be derived by using these 6 formulas. Okay? Let us take a look. एटी प्ले मनक इ तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल रे तमरो बेस और परपेंडिकुलर आपस रे चेंज होई पारନ୍ତି केमिति ना इट इज डिपेंडिंग ऑन थीटा इफ थीटा इज चेंज देन b and p will be changed suppose this angle theta यदि a angle theta is हो त a angle by p is हो bc b is हो ab is that clear the theta hypotenuse is always fixed using theta by depending upon theta the perpendicular and base may be changed in between them but hypotenuse is always fixed these are the eta mon rakhbo and these are the 6 basic formulae you can remember and rest formulas can be derived by using these 6 formulas let us take a look here we know that one more thing sine of any angle is equal to hypotenuse perpendicular upon hypotenuse sine of any angle suppose here is a right angle triangle a b c it is a right angle and this is theta okay sine of c or sin theta is equal to hypotenuse opposite of this angle is equal to AB upon AC. You can symbolize as you know the symbol of AB is equal to P, it is your B, it is your H. You can write down AB is P, E by H. Is that clear? Similarly, cosec theta is equal to reverse H upon P. Then is your cos theta B by H, B upon H, and sec theta is equal to H by B. Next tan theta P by B and last one it is final cot theta is equal to B by B. These are the short names. Remember these are the short names of the trigonometry ratios. Sin theta it is the short name of a sine S-I-N-E. Cosec means play cosecant. Cos means play cosine. It's a big name. Sec means secant. Tan means tangent. And cot means cotangent. These are the big names. Okay? Here take a look. Both sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal to each other. Both sin theta and cosec theta are reciprocal to each other. That means if you multiply sin theta with cosec theta, the result will be 1. This is another formula. Develop. This is another formula. That means sin theta into cosine theta is equal to 1. It is another formula. Similarly, you can write down. Take a look. Both cos theta and sec theta are reciprocal to each other. When you multiply these two ratios, you will have 1 also. That means cos theta into sec theta is equal to 1. Similarly, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Both are reciprocal to each other. Another formula here, when I ask question express tan theta, you know that tan theta is equal to P by V. Am I right? Any problem? I think no problem. Tan theta P by V. I can write this dividing numerator and denominator h. P by h upon V by h. I will divide h on both the numerator and the denominator. The result does not change. Here, you know that P by h is equal to how much? Sin theta. Then V by h is how much? Cos theta. So, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This is another formula developed. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. When I ask question, express tan theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. The answer will be tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, cos theta